There, it's just roughed a bit. You can see it's contact in the middle. Now once we temporarily mount this on the guitar body, that'll also change it, but it's just enough to, well, maybe we'll take a little more. Just avoid sanding in the middle if you can. But there, that's as far as I feel comfortable going. But that basically just helps me reduce the amount of time